Good morning, my dear students. Today we're going to continue our lesson, Life in Different Places, right? As we've explained, page 134 and page 135. Today we're going to explain 136 and 137. All right, we are going to talk about the different types of grasslands in the world and how the life in the grasslands is like, and as well as the life in the lands of snow, right? We'll start with the life in grasslands. Grasslands make up almost a quarter of the total land surface. They occur in areas where rain falls in certain months of the year. Rain falls in certain months of the year only, not during the whole year, and the rest of year remains dry without rain. There are 5 grasslands in the world: steppes in Asia, downs in Australia, veld in Africa, prairies in North America, this is a plural, singular prairie, pampas in South Africa, and as well as we have savanna, where the wild animals live there. Let's take a look on this. Yes, can you see this picture? It shows us the world where there is prairies, steppes, veld, and pampas. Okay, please shut up. What is prairie? Actually, my dear, prairie is a wide area of flat land without trees. It covered with miles and miles of grass, and the grass has a color of a green color in summer and turns into brown in autumn. We can look here, this picture of a prairie. Can you see? There's no trees, right? It's a large area of land, right, without trees. It's covered with a lot of grass. Can you see the color of the grass here? It's brown. That means it is in autumn, not in summer, right? Let's go back. Okay, what about steppes? What is steppes, Miss Shada? It's huge grasslands as well as large area of land with a lot of green grass with no trees. Okay, can you see this picture? Here is the steppes. Oh, there's a difference, right? These small grasses looks like small trees, yes, but has no large trees, no tall trees. It's mostly looks like a desert, okay, with these small short lengths of trees. Okay, so there is a difference between a steppe and a prairie. Prairie, it has a lot scattered grass, right? This is a picture of a steppes. Right, let's go back. What is a veld? Oh, this is a flat land with few trees. Right, it has few trees. Okay, picture of a veld. Here is it. This is a picture of a veld. Actually, it's occupied in South Africa, right? And the grasslands of South Africa are called the velds. Right, let's go back. What is pampas? This is a large flat area. Here, pampas. Large flat area of land covered in grass in parts of South America and Africa. Let's take a look on the pampas. I've got you 2 pictures of pampas. Can you see? This is a picture of pampas. And as well as this picture. It's more closer. Alright. We have steppes in Asia, as we've explained, these huge grasslands large area of land with grass but no trees, right? And we have looked on the picture of the steps. And we have downs in Australia, downs, low hills covered in grass. Here it is. Can you see? Low hills covered with grass. These are called downs. They're mostly found in Australia. And we have as well as veld in Africa. We've explained this, right? And the Bararis and the Pampas in South Africa. Okay, fine. Let's continue reading. The Bararis have fairly hot summers and very, very cold winters. The Bararis, this wide area of flat land without trees, has very, very cold winters and very hot summers. Farming, animal rearing. Animal rearing means that you are having a control over the animals, the farm animals, stock animals such as sheep and cow. And mining are three chief occupations. Occupations here means the main work for the people who are living there in the prairie region. So their main work, their main job is rearing and mining, and as well as farming. Okay. The grasslands of South Africa are called the velds. Velds are known for cattle rearing and mining. Gold and diamond mining are major occupations of people of this region. So what is occupation? The main work, the main job of the people here is the gold and diamond mining. Prairie dogs are burrowing rodents. Burrowing here, these are the animals, rodents. They are like small mammals with large and sharp front teeth, such as the mice. Can you see? This is big fat mice, right? So these small mammals with large sharp front teeth, such as mice and rats, right? And they are related to the grasslands of North America. Okay, that's all for the grasslands. And I would like to show you a video about the top 10 largest grasslands in the world. Enjoy. right? All of the mentioned terms are basically different names given to the grasslands in various different areas around the globe, around the world. South Americans address grasslands by pampas. In Midwestern United States, they are addressed as prairies. On the other hand, Central Asian grasslands are known as steppes, and Africans term grasslands as savannas. Savannas, it's a big area, large area that has grass and it has wood where wild animals live there. Lions, tigers, as well as giraffes live in savanna. Grasslands cover about a quarter of our Mother Earth's area. Right, let's continue. Like we've said, quarter of the total land surface, right? All right. My dear students, let's read now page 137. Life in lands of snow. The snowland is a region that remains buried under snow almost all the year round. It is buried under the snow all the year round. This is the snowland. Greenland is the largest island in the world with 75% of its land under snow. The climate here is extremely cold, very cold. Fish processing is the main occupation of people in Greenland. The main job for them, the main work for them is fishing. People here live in old Eskimo. Can you see this? Can you see this woman? Can you see what she's wearing? She's wearing a hoodie with fur. Do you think from where? From where did she get this fur? From an animal. They wear animal skins as clothes. The dress of a Greenlander consists of a hooded jacket, a jacket with a hoodie, leggings. They wear them so that they can feel warm. Socks, boots, mittens and goggles to keep the dazzle of the snow glare away. However, slowly people there are saying goodbye to their old ways and taking to modern ways. Canned foods that are canned like beans, like tuna, vegetables and mutton are coming into more and more use, and European dresses are replacing traditional clothes. The Greenlanders, people who are living in Greenland, have different types of houses for summer and winter seasons. Of course, they don't use the same houses for summer and the same house for winter. Okay, in summer, they live in tents made of animal hides so that wild animals cannot go to them. But in winter, they live in snow houses called igloos. It's cold from outside, but it's very warm from inside. Alright, that's all for the explanation of 136 and 137. Hope you understood the lesson. Now, turn over the page with me. We're going to solve the questions and answers together. Alright. Take the correct answer. Number 1. The main occupation of people in Greenland, the main work is mining, fish processing or farming? Yes, fish processing. 2. In winter, Eskimos live in a mud house, a tent or igloos. In winter, igloos. Excellent. Number 3. Answer with me, right? The grasslands of South Africa are called the velds, prairies or downs. The grasslands, velds of South Africa. Okay, I would like to show you something. These grasslands are very important for you to know, for your information, my boys. They are known by different names. Prairies, north of North America, pampas of South America, steppes of Russia, veld of South Africa, downs of Australia, and savannas in Central Africa. Most of the savannas are in Africa. Most of the downs are in Australia. The velds are in South Africa. The steppes are in Russia. The pampas, South America. Prairies, North America. Right? Just for your information. Let's go back to our questions. All right. Number 4. People who live in hot deserts grow corn, sugarcane, or palm trees, like Saudi Arabia. Number 5. The largest island in the world with land under snow is called Australia, Greenland, Ireland, Greenland. Right? Let's go for writing the questions. Think and write about the following. Life in deserts. How is life in deserts likely to be? Actually, desert is a land that is almost dry. We know that humans, animals, and plants, all they need water to survive, right? So there's very little life to be found in the desert. Okay? Not much people live in deserts because the climate is very harsh, very difficult to survive because we need water, not only we, as well as plants and animals. Okay, question 2. Life in lands of snow. How it is like? It's like the snowland. Actually, the snowland is a region that remains buried under snow all the year round. Snow affects such human activities as ecosystem, occupation, clothing, and food habits. Right? That's all for page 138. You will get the answers. I will send you the answers by emails, inshallah. And I want also to review with you the hard words. And I need you to repeat it after me. Alright? I will send it to you as well, and you shall write it in your notebook. Survive. Survive means that you are able to live in that area with these conditions. Survive. Number 2, cassava. Cassava. This is a South American plant with large roots. Cassava. 3, porridge. Porridge, the oatmeal, the oats that are mixed with milk or with boiled water, we call it as porridge. Number 4, nomadic. Nomadic. It comes from the noun nomads. Nomads, they are group of people related to the same family. They are traveling from one place to another without having a specific place to live in, without having a settled place to live in, for the search of food and water. Number 5, protection. 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 You know all the meaning of protection. Number 6, prairies. Prairies, the wide area of flat land without trees. Number 7, velds. Velds. Number 8, rodents. 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 Rodents, the small mammals with large sharp front teeth, right? Such as mice. Yes, excellent. Rates. Excellent. Number 9, Eskimo. 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 They are the people who live in North America. Okay? With a very, very cold climate. Number 10, dazzle. 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 For example, if light dazzles you, it makes you unable to see for a short of time. Right? Dazzle. Like the flashlight of the mobile, for example, suddenly comes into your eyes. If then you suddenly you feel that you're unable to see for just a short period of time. Okay? Dazzle. Okay? So repeat these words. Hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Thank you. Bye-bye.